Hey guys, I'm BadMark, and today we're gonna go over all of the name tag tips and tricks that there are in Minecraft. There are actually not really that many. I think I only got 10 of them. If I missed any of them, then please write it in the comments. And by the way, there are no Easter eggs. For Easter eggs, the link is in the description. And now let's start. As you may already know, you can rename a name tag on an anvil. That is the entire purpose of the name tag, and it costs 1 experience level, but you can actually put an entire stack of name tags and rename it for the same cost for just 1 experience level, as I did right here. You can name any mob except the Ender Dragon. You can also name an armor stand, but you cannot name other players, of course. And this creates an interesting interaction with the Wither boss, because you can actually rename him. If we use the name tag, as you can see, not only did his name change, but also his name above the health bar changed. And speaking of armor stands, we're gonna rename one right now, but nothing happened. This is because the name of the armor stand by default is hidden. You can actually modify it with command, so I'm writing the command right now. It's data modify entity, and you select the armor stand with this selector, and then you modify the custom name visible tag and set it to 1B. This is going to make the name visible. I'm going to include the command in the description, so it's going to be easier for you to copy and paste it. You might have noticed that my name tag is called name tag, and I'm using it to name other mobs. Well, you cannot normally do this. What you have to do is take a name tag, rename it to anything, and then rename it again back to name tag. And then you will be able to use the name tag. Again, you normally cannot use the name tag on a mob. It's gonna do nothing. A named silverfish that goes into a block is going to lose its name. Now this silverfish doesn't seem to be very eager to go into a stone block, so you're gonna have to take my word for it. Baby animals and baby villagers will keep their name when they grow up. We're going to use fish on an XLO to speed up the growth process, and it's gonna grow up, and you see that it kept the name. A named villager that turns into a zombie villager is also going to keep its name. And the process can actually be reversed, and the villager will still keep its name. So as you can see, the villager just became a zombie villager. We can cure it by using this special formula. And then we wait for it to turn back into a normal villager, and it still kept its name throughout the whole process. For this fact, I want you to pay attention to this number in your F3 screen. Right now it's at 6, and it's increasing with the more mobs that we place, but it decreases once we name them. This is because named mobs do not count towards the mob cap. And also, named mobs will not despawn except for wandering traders, and except when you set the difficulty to peaceful, then your hostile mobs will despawn, of course. If you get killed by a mob that is renamed, then their name will be shown in the death screen as well as in the death message in the chat. Well, I have a lot of hearts, so it's gonna take a while, so let me just skip to the part where they kill me. Yeah, I have some very hungry rabbits, but there you go, they ate me, and it says that I was slain by name tag, which happened to be the name of the mob. And that about sums it up. Subscribe to my channel, click the like button, click the notification button, click all of the necessary buttons, whatever is popular these days for YouTubers to say. You might have noticed that the Easter eggs are not in this video, and that's completely right, because they're in a different video of mine, but it is on my channel, so no worries, I'll see you there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye bye.